Like revenue and profit graphs.
What are those?
Revenue graph just shows all the money you make, not counting all the expenses. Profit graphs basically show the amount of money you made after all the expenses like tax and the money it takes to make the product.
Okay, so what does the 300 mean?
The 300 is a loan from the bank.
Okay, and then what's the $1.89?
The $1.09 is how much each one's going to cost.
And how about the $9.99?
That's shipping.
And what is that .085? Why do you have this right there? What's that?
That's for the tax.
Okay, so when you started this unit, could you solve that equation before, or did the unit teach you how to do that kind of mathematics?
The unit taught me.
It was like real life. Instead of reading a made-up word problem in the textbook, it's like it's something that I could actually get into later on in life, and I can kind of, I probably won't remember as much, but I can always kind of reflect on what I learned.
Would you think it's something that most algebra students should go through? Should they do a unit that involves real-life problems that's that long? It took a month for us to do that.
Oh, definitely. That's the most memorable unit that I've had this year.
So you don't think it was a waste of time,
Oh.
1 month?
No, I thought it was perfectly length. I got a lot out of it, and I thought it was like being at real life. We don't do many real life things in high school, so to be able to do something real life is really meaningful.
I liked doing it just because it gave me one thing to focus on the whole time, because I'm not good with like switching up stuff, so just doing it one with like this and just basing everything on this subject was good for me.
Yeah, it was, because I realized that you need to go in when you're trying to borrow money from somebody or like a bank. You need to have a solid business plan in order to get that money. Or if you don't have a solid business plan or it seems shaky or the math's off, then they're not going to want to invest in you or let you, because they won't think you're trustworthy to handle their money.
Because they look different. One of them says $100, $300. The other one says $100, $0. What makes those different?
This one is saying when they sell 100, they're gonna have 300, and this one's saying when they have 100, they're gonna be able to. They're not gonna owe the bank any money.
Okay, so this one they have the 300, but they haven't paid the bank even though they have the money. And this one they actually did pay the bank. And what's the name of this point right here?
It's called break-even guy.
Okay.